Hi guys, welcome back to Proper Food, and today I'm going to show you the secret to making the perfect lamb kofta. The first thing we're going to do is soak our skewers in some cold water. That way, when they hit the barbecue, they're not going to burn up before the kebabs are cooked through. Alright, now pop them to one side. Now I've got the tip of all tips when it comes to making the perfect kofta or kebab. So what I've got here, I've got some beautiful lamb mince. So into that, I'm going to add a nice little pinch of salt, good grinding of black pepper. Then we're going to add into this some beautiful roast harissa. Now I love this stuff, it's really nice and fragrant, but it has got a kick to it as well, so you don't like it really, really spicy. You can add a little bit and maybe not go crazy like I'm going to, but I love this stuff. So probably about 2 tablespoons going in there, and also some ground cumin, about a teaspoon. Pop that in. Next up, I've got some lovely onions, which I've just cooked off in a little splash of oil to a lovely golden sweet. And the tip here is make sure you cool them down before you add them into the mince. Give that a good old stir. Look at these amazing colours. That's the harissa. And then we're going to leave that to marinate for about 20-25 minutes, just to allow those flavours to develop. Right, so this is where it gets exciting. What you need to do is you need to take a bottle. Now this is just an ordinary squash bottle. Just cut it in half, and then you need to take a tub or jar, something that basically fits inside of there really nice and snugly, so it goes in and out. And this is what's going to help us make our kebabs. So what you do, you take the top part of the bottle and you put your mince inside of this, just being careful as you go. It might not all fit in one hit, but just try and squeeze in as much as you can into the top. Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to take our tub, we're going to pop that in there, upside down, get one of your skewers, you push that all the way down in, and then just use a little bit of brute strength. Perfect koftas. Break that off, pop it to one side, onto a plate, then into the fridge for about 30 minutes. The kebab's about 30 minutes in the fridge now, so it's time to spark up that barbecue. Onto the grill, and these are going to need maybe around 4 or 5 minutes per side. Right, so it's time to finish off our kebabs. So here I've got a beautiful flatbread. Just warm this in the oven very, very quickly. So first off, I'm going to add a beautiful smear of creamy hummus. So just get that on there. And now it's time for our kebabs. So I'm going to take a couple of these and just pop them onto the flatbread. Next we've got some beautiful fresh red onion, just sliced really, really fine. Just some of that over the top. And then some crumbly feta cheese. So you just grab some of that and sprinkle on. Beautiful. Next on goes our beautiful coriander dressing. Now if you want the video recipe for this, it's actually on my Instagram @DeanEdwardsChef, but we are going to pop some of this on, and it's just got an incredible punchy flavour. Got sun-dried tomatoes in there as well, so it adds a little bit of sweetness, but this is so good. And last but not least, I've got some beautiful micro cress, and I've got some pea shoots. We're going to add a lovely freshness and flavour, and there you go. You pop that on, final drizzle of olive oil just over the top. And you are good to go. And there you have, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful harissa spiked lamb koftas. If you like this recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video and comment down below if there are any other recipes you'd like to see me cook for you guys in the future. This is something pretty special. If you're sparking up the barbecue, make sure you give this a try. Perfect lamb kofta.